Good morning, Farmer Chris and Agnes here with a very special episode of, here, come on this way, of Wednesday morning Aggie videos. So this is not about vegetables today. This is about cows. You may have heard in the news, there was an NPR show last week, about a very special cow in the country of Austria, in the Austrian Alps, named Veronika. She's getting international attention by cow researchers for her tool usage skills. I'll read you a few excerpts from the research that Aggie and I are doing on Veronika. Aggie's reached out on Instagram to Veronika. She wants to become pen pals with Veronika and learn about Veronika's mad skills using apparently a barn broom to scratch herself. She puts it in her mouth, and she uses different ends to scratch her own body in different ways. So let me share a little bit more about Veronika the cow, who's a brown Swiss cow. Okay, Veronika was not trained. She figured it out on her own. She's a 13-year-old cow, similar age to Agnes, okay, who independently began using a barn broom to scratch herself. No one trained her, no one prompted her. She grabbed the broom, are you listening, Agnes? Grabbed the broom with her tongue, positioned it, and began scratching hard-to-reach places on her back. But this is what made scientists really sit up. She used the right end for the right job. Researchers demonstrated or documented that Veronika didn't just randomly wave the broom around. Are you listening, Agnes? She used the bristled end for tougher scratching on her back, and then she used the handle end for gentler areas like her belly or udder. Agnes, I think you have some stuff to work on. So, like this, Agnes. And so this is what researchers call flexible tool use, okay, Agnes? It shows that Veronika understands that the broom has two different functional parts, Agnes. Each part does something different, and she can select between them depending on the task. That level of object discrimination is rare outside of primates, like me, Agnes, and some birds. So scientists are actually studying her. Researchers ran dozens of documented trials observing how she manipulated the broom. And what's especially notable, Agnes, is that this is considered the first well-documented case of flexible tool use in cattle. It's a form of egocentric tool use, Agnes, meaning she uses the tool on her own body as opposed to modifying the environment. So, this is something to aspire to, Agnes. We're going to work on this together, although it's really up to Agnes to figure this out. Let us know if you have any tips for Aggie as she sort of launches this new chapter of her life, learning to use tools. And enjoy your veggies this week. It's almost spring, not quite, but we'll see you soon. See you next week. Enjoy the slightly warmer weather.